In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Passkey in Amazon app. We will walk through removing the passkey from your Amazon account and then from your device so it can no longer be used. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your phone or sign in to Amazon in a web browser. Once it opens, make sure you are signed in to the account whose passkey you want to remove. You should see your usual Amazon homepage with the search bar at the top and your recommendations or recent items below. Now go to your account. In the app, this is usually under the menu where you see your name or the account icon. When you are in the Your Account area, you will see many options related to orders, addresses, and security. This section controls settings that apply to your whole Amazon account, no matter which device you use. Next, tap Login and Security. This area is where Amazon keeps your password, two-step verification, and passkey settings. When the Login and Security page opens, you should see entries like your name, email, phone number, and a security section further down. From there, select Passkey. The Passkey page focuses only on passkeys that can sign into this Amazon account. On this screen, you may see one or several passkeys listed, each usually linked to a specific device or browser. Changes you make here affect which devices can use passkeys to log in. Now find the passkey you want to remove. Look carefully at the labels or device names next to each passkey so you pick the correct one. Beginners sometimes delete the wrong passkey if two devices have similar names, so take a moment to confirm which device you actually want to block. Once you have located it, tap the Delete Trash icon next to that passkey. As soon as you tap Delete, Amazon prepares to remove that passkey from your account level. You should notice that nothing disappears yet because Amazon still needs you to confirm that choice to avoid accidental removal. To finish this part, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the passkey disappears from the list on the passkey page. That is your visual proof that this device can no longer use that passkey to sign into Amazon from your account side. Now for iPhone, open the Passwords app. This is the built-in Apple app that stores saved passwords and passkeys used across apps and Safari. When it opens, you will see a list of saved items or a categories view depending on your iOS version. Next, tap Passkeys. This filters the view so you only see passkeys instead of regular passwords. You should now see website or app names that support passkeys, including Amazon. Then select Amazon. This opens the details for the Amazon passkey stored on your iPhone. Here you can see that the device still holds a copy, even though you already removed it from your Amazon account. Removing it here stops your phone from trying to use it. After that, tap Edit. The screen will change to allow changes to this passkey entry. You may see options become active, including the one to delete the passkey from this device. Finally, tap Delete Passkey and confirm. When you confirm, the Amazon entry disappears from the Passkeys section in the Passwords app. You have now removed the Amazon passkey from both your Amazon account and your iPhone, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped clean up your sign-in, and subscribe if you want more quick Amazon tutorials like this.